Here come mac and cheese. We just picked up our car.
Driving. So, tig-isa na kami ni Jack dun sa sakyan kasi thankfully he's gotta work here in Melbourne. If you guys don't know, he was flying in and out of Perth for the last year, 18 months to be exact.
So we cannot go inside yet. No, yeah, that's it. So we're getting this couch in this color in Hepburn. Yeah. This is the dining chair that we got. Ayan siya. It's already on sale. Actually, accent color ng bahay is green. So yeah, that's it. We already got our couch. It's gonna get delivered in the new house. Outdoor furniture, ang ganda. Check mo magkano. Set na yan? Pwede to.
Pwede to.
No. So we've decided to get this coffee table. It's in a walnut color. So maganda siya, warm. And then yung fluted panels niya on this side will go well with the island wall namin. Alinhan? Which one? Ha? Ang alin?
Oh, honey. Tingin ka. What you will do it?
Ay, wag ka makulit.
Ayun, no? 329, no? Orange.
Ha? Kano? Ito ano, 79 na yan. Dito ba yung couch na in-order natin? Ay, yung couch na in-order natin. We need a table, buffet table.
Buffet table. This one. 279.
Pag nag-OOTD tayo. Ano? 409. 7 years old and still being carried. Huh? We just finished having her. Come on. It's 42 degrees in Melbourne. Go open the car.
But it's hot.
Seat belts, please.
Not that.
Not bad. Oof.
You might turn your mommy, mom.
It is hot. Oh my goodness.
I want the AC on.
Yeah, AC is on. Yeah, as long as you put your seatbelt. Oh, look at that, Dad. 43 degrees. Okay, come on, kids. Good morning, everyone. We are here in IKEA. I've ordered some stuff for the house. So, pipick upin na namin yun.
You already have my bed.
Yeah. Chloe had her bed. Nakuha lang namin sa marketplace, pero ang ganda pa. Slightly used. So, ngayon, pipick upin na namin yung in-order ko online. And then, we're here to check out other stuff as well. I'm here to check lighting fixture para dun sa receiving room. And I think we're gonna check study desk. Check lang. Hindi tayo bibili. Check lang. Okay, so join us. And I've got the kids with us. And Dad is here.
Wait.
And Mom. Tara, let's go. Let's go check the other display. No, here, love. Dito na tayo. Oo, Ma. Kaya lang, hindi ko pa siya, wala akong budget pambili. Kasi, Dad, I think you only have to install this, right? Yung sa side. Ayun, no? And then, bibilin mo to. Papa, gawan mo ng ganito si Mama. Organize lahat. And then, drawers.
Look at these lights.
Where? I'll follow you. Okay. Sunod kayo, Ma. Oh, very modern.
This would be.
The kids suggested those lights. But it's so modern.
Hey, this is like going.
You look cozy in there. We got the goods. So this is the Billy bookcase shelf na binili namin. And then the kitchen dining rug. Oop, Chloe, baka maipit ka. And then we found this bench top that's gonna install it sa laundry room namin. We got it for $35. Originally $175. Chloe, let go. Okay, let's return that one. Mom, let's go. Where? I don't even know. Yeah, there. Let's go, kids. Jada, let's go.
Hey, no, no.
We got free parking also. Okay, Mom. That. Kailangan natin ng lawnmower. Please, God. Maluwag sa likod, no, Dad?
sinari lang yung medyo.
Oo. Ito pa? Hindi yan. Iba pa yan.
Ay, okay.
Oo. Pinang-close lang nila.
Lang, tinigala lang na ako ng pang-lock.
Oo. Maganda yung door namin. Ito yung sa...
This is the garage, guys. Nagsara na nila. Wala pa nun there, di ba?
Wala to noon. Oh, ito bago to.
This is the toilet. Oh, hugas ako ng kamay. Ay, hindi na makapaglit eh. Ah! Sliding door. A sliding door. Wow. And then this is the mini living room. Pagpasok. Okay, medyo bumili lang kami ng shelves. The bookcase that we ordered, dalawa, and then yung accent chair, meron na rin kami here. And then we are planning to put a study table dito sa gitna. And shoe rack dito siguro. Shoe rack dyan. Ayan. Shoe rack dyan. Ang ganda ng view dito. Utang-kita na yung labas. Okay. And then this hallway. Tingin mo kasha pa kung mag-uwi tayo dito ng ano?
Well.
Console.
Mm.
What do you wanna do? Akyat tayo or...
Ikaw, yun muna.
Muna tayo. Muna tayo.
Kita.
Oo. Tapos ito yung laundry namin. So this is our walkthrough bago matapos ang bahay. This is the sink pero Papa and I bought a bench top. So si Jack nang magtutuloy nun. Bumili kami ng washer and then dryer. Straight. Yan. Tapos maglalagay kami ng cabinetry dito sa taas. This is the sliding door going out. So obviously may mga plastics pa. Dahil magpapaint pa sila nga. And very sunod. And this is our walk-in.
Powder room.
No, this is like shelves. Storage. Walk-in storage. And then, come here. May nakaiwan ba ng drinks? Ay, nako. This is our walk-in pantry. So, we will put up shelves in here. And it's gonna be open. No doors. And welcome.
Nabasag.
Oh no!
Papalitan nila yan.
This will be our living room. Akin ng vlog. Huwag mo na ipakita yan ng asa mo na. So, ito yung aming living room. Looking at that mirror, obviously, later on may kapit-bahay na kami dyan. Mayroon din din mag-living. Ang tawag doon? Wall. Ang tawag doon? Ang ganyan na wall. Fence. Ngayon ako pumasok dito sa bahay. This is the TV area. TV area, living room. May saksakan dyan for the TV and there. Originally dito talaga pero pinamove ko. I don't know why, pero we make it work.
Picture natin ito mamaya. I-report natin kay Guy ba yan?
And then this is, nabumihan na siya. Kailangan mo na ayusin. Kasi nagagdasa nila. Ay, natatanda na. Natanda siya. So, we had this variation as well. So, me and Miracle decided to choose a fluted panel for our bench top. Bench top is coming in. And, oh, look, mayroon nang nalagyan ng well, we need to clean that. So, our doors are there. Properly installed.
And then, ito yung magiging sink. And lalagyan ng microwave. Dito ang dishwasher, tama ba?
Yeah.
Dishwasher dyan. And then, lutuan dito. And exhaust. We already ordered our double door fridge. It's coming. Follow me. Ayan, ito tayo sa Yay! This is my first time going up. Let's check upstairs. Ooh, and you like this, guys? This is metal, black, of course. And then, nag-order din kami. Papalagyan namin yan ng lighting sa floor. Okay, syempre. So, details matter. And here we are, second floor. Ano to, man? Doors? Are these doors?
Yes.
This is our family room.
Rompos.
Rompas ang tawag. So, family room, playroom ng kids. Just a cozy space that we could use for us. So, the TV, I think, will be here. And then, another couch. And then, going here, dito muna tayo. So, ito yung magiging linen storage din namin. So, I believe there's doors here later on. And then, this is one room. I think Jaden will use this room. It's a good size room. Beautiful, good size room. And it will come with his own. What are we done?
Cabinet.
Cabinet.
Wardrobe.
Wardrobe. Yan. Ayan, ang dami nating aayusin. Sobrang busy. Bakit may butas to? Ayusin pa nila yan.
Yeah.
But the floors here will be covered with carpet. And then this is the toilet.
Yep.
Bathroom ng kids. Only bathroom kasi toilet is another. So ito yung shower area nila, honey. And we did order. Ito ay provision lang din. So another cost ang niche na ito. So,
Kasama na yan sa ano?
Ha?
Kasama yan sa atin? Sa variation?
Yes, this is a variation.
Yeah,
This is
okay.
$500 just to have a niche. $500, imagine. And then the tub will be here. So imagine you are soaking into the tub with a beautiful view. It's so beautiful. And then the sink is here. So we also had a variation that the sink should be lifted up. Ayan, syempre, details matter. We also chose the finishing. So they're ready to paint the house actually. We thought there will be tiles put up, pero wala pa.
Next.
And then next, okay, this will be Chloe's room naman. So it depends kung anong gusto ng mga bata. Pero another room, ang size nito magkaiba in haba and length. Pero pagkainad mo, parang same lang din.
Multiply.
Same lang din yung floor size niya. So wardrobe for another child. And then this will be the guest room.
Guest room and for now, music room.
Multi-purpose room. So sabi ng asawa ko si Jeg, he plans on using this as a music room / gym / guest room. And wardrobe is here. So exciting. Madami na ilalagay. And dito sa Australia, ang toilet actually nakahiwalay. So ito, toilet lang talaga to. Ang luwag, in fairness. Ang luwag. Iihi ka lang dito. Ang luwag. Ihian lang to. Pero pwede ka mga maglagay ng sink dito na maliit eh. Pero toilet lang to, guys. Ang luwag ha, for a toilet. You could just like, make it. I was expecting mas narrow siya. And then, syempre, ito na ang ating master's room. Decent size, you know? I was thinking our beds will be facing this way and then bedside tables. We have our own master's toilet. Stand shower, niche again. So, niche and then sink. And I think toilet din dito.
Shower that one.
Oo. Shower dito. toilet to. Ito, ang standard, mas maliit. Pero, pina-move namin siya. So, another cost na naman yun, guys. Pag nagpatayo kayo ng bahay, whatever na adjustments na gusto nyo, pwede naman. But with an added cost, syempre. And then, ang pinagawa pala namin dito, so when you build a house, it comes with your own mirror. Pero we wanted our own mirror, syempre, like with a vanity. And so we asked them not to put up a mirror kasi you're gonna spend more money just taking it off. And it might, damage the wall. So, yun din. Added expense na naman yun. Pero praise God, God is our provider. And this is our walk-in closet. Hindi ko lang nakita. Medyo maliit siya, no? Medyo maliit siya. So talagang kailangan buy what you only need. Pero me and Jericho plan on putting a PAX wardrobe system dito later on. Kasi ang ilalagay lang nila is like one shelf and then sabitan ng damit. Pero syempre, mas maganda yung maximize mo yung space. So, L-type closet siya. And that's the house, guys. This is, come here, honey. So, this is the before of our house. And the next vlog you're going to see is the finished house, hopefully. Nakatakip siya, you can't see, but this is our veranda. May veranda din yan after that. So, ang sabi ng aming site manager, baka matapos ang bahay mid this year. So, that's 9 months of construction. We're not rushing it kasi gusto namin pulido talaga yung pagkagawa. As you can see, anong tawag sa ganito, Han? Yung talagang, yung kanilang, ang tawag nito, yung isusmooth nila kasi syempre dinikit lang naman yung mga boards. So you can see talagang straight na straight, hindi banking yung pagka
Finish
niya. So I'm happy about that. I'm really happy about that. Carpets will go in, tiling naman sa baba, and then light fixtures, ayan. I'm happy. Electricals, I think they're doing the electricals also. So yes, we are, I'm gonna suggest, honey, maybe we could install a drop light here. Later on, we could buy like a modern drop light here. Kasi ang naka-provide lang dyan is a spotlight lang. So, maganda din idagdag yun. Yan. Another plan yun. Pero, later on na yun. So, yun lang guys, ang aming vlog. Ikaw, honey, may gusto kong sabihin. Ayan, any encouragement?
always pray.
Always pray, and nothing is impossible sa ating Panginoon. God provides everything as long as we seek Him first. All of these things will be added unto us. Yun lamang guys. God bless. See you in the next vlog.